Hello world, my name is Akshay and I'm from Delhi, India, and this is eMCash, my final submission for the CS50's project. eMCash is an app to digitalize Monopoly transactions. So instead of handling the Monopoly cash, players can do it from here instead. To begin, a player needs to click here to sign up and fill out this small form. Once they sign up, they'll be able to log in. Since we already signed up, we'll just click login here. Logging in takes the player to their dashboards, respectively, and on the top of the dashboard, the player can see their balances as per their statements. The players can also pay any other player in the game or the bank if they'd like. They just need to select the name of the player, the ID of the player, and then type in the amount and click pay now. They'll see a message saying transaction successful, and the same will reflect in their transactions. My transactions shows all the transactions involving the player, and game transactions shows all the transactions ever. Clicking view all shows all the transactions in the game instead of the 5 on the dashboard, and clicking back to dashboard takes us back here. Once the player is done, the player can click leave to exit, and this will take them back to the login page. To manage all the players, we have bank login. Bank basically has more superior powers as compared to any other player in the game, and they can decide some of the key aspects of the game. We'll just log into the bank's account. Uh, Bank's dashboard is a little bit different than all other players. Bank can toggle the game status. If the if the status of the game is set to stop, then the players will no longer be able to make any transactions. Uh, Bank can also pay any other player just like the other players, and it will reflect in all the players on all the players or the respective player's statement. The bank can also view all the transactions. The bank can set balances of players to particular amounts. Like here, I set my balance to $2,000. Finally, bank has some superior powers. For example, removing a player. Bank can remove the player from here, and also the bank has some of the so-called power tools. So, for example, clicking here will restart the game, which will delete all the transactions and set the initial balances to $1,500. And bank can factory reset the game, which means delete all the players and remove all the transactions from here. Once done, we can click leave to exit and return to login page. This was eMCash. Thanks for watching.